Hello friends, welcome to Kanki TV. Please subscribe our channel.
Today we will take a tour to forest and we'll learn the name of wild animals.
Lion, Lion, lion. Tiger, Tiger, tiger. Bear, Bear, bear. Elephant, Elephant, elephant. Deer, deer. Fox, fox. Zebra, Zebra, zebra. Giraffe, Giraffe, giraffe. Hyena, Hyena, hyena. Wolf, Wolf, wolf. Hippopotamus, Hippopotamus, hippopotamus.
Leopard, leopard. Gorilla, gorilla. Python, python. Monkey, monkey. Yak, Kangaroo, kangaroo. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Crocodile, crocodile.